Hi everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, I am continuing line graph data interpretation. First of all, we need to read the information carefully and then based on that information, we need to solve the questions. Once look at this line graph, what is the given information? Here, one line is showing that quantity sold in quintas. One line is about how much quantity is sold in quintas, and one line is showing that price in rupees per kg. Here one line is price per kg and one line is how much quantity sold in quintas. Quintas is nothing but 1 quinta is equal to 100 kgs. 1 quinta is equal to 100 kgs. You need to write down each and every value in terms of kgs. Why? Because all the prices are given in terms of per kg value. So whatever the quantity that you are taking, that must be in terms of kgs. It means you need to multiply with 100. The given value is multiply with 100. Here first of all, the rhombus shape line which indicating the quantity, whereas the square shape line which is indicating the price. For all the various various companies, various items, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, total 6 items that we have. That is the given information. Now look at the first question in this session. See here, if the quantity sold of item D, if the quantity sold of item D, that means we are talking about this particular quantity, is increased by 50 percentage and price is reduced by 10 percentage. Here quantity is increased by 50 percentage, whereas price is decreased by 10 percentage. Now what was the total value of the quantity sold for the item D? Here basically what is meant by total value? Total value is nothing but quantity into price. Total value is nothing but quantity into price. That will gives you the total quantity, total value. Now as we want to calculate the total value of item D, total value of item D after incrementing of quantity and decrementing of price. Here the quantity of item D, quantity is representing with rhombus shape, that is 20. Now this 20 quintas, that is 20 quintas, so you want to write down in terms of kgs. Why? Because every each and every item price is given in terms of per kg, so you need to multiply with 100, you will get 2000 kgs. 20 quintas is nothing but 2000 kgs, and then this particular value is increased by 50 percentage. If this value is increased by 50 percentage, it becomes 150 percentage. This is the total quantity. This is the total quantity of item D. Whereas coming to price, here the price is given as 12.5 rupees. Price is given as 12.5 rupees. But here according to the question, this particular price is decreased by 10 percentage. If it is decreased by 10 percentage, the remaining price which is left over, that is 90 percentage of the original price. Original price 12.5 rupees, whereas coming to this particular new price is decreased by 10 percentage, the resultant value is 12.5 into 90 percentage. Now see here, here 4 zeros gets cancelled, and after that what are the values which are left over? 2 into 15, that is 30, into, you can write down 12.5 as 125 divided by 10 into 90. And next coming to this case, here 0 gets cancelled. Now you just multiply this entire product. Here 3 into 9, that is 27. 270 into 125, that is our required answer. You just calculate 125 and 27. Here it is 7 5s are 35, 3 is there, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 3, 17, 1 carry forward, 7 1s are 7 plus 1, 8. Next 2 5s are 10, 1 is carry forward, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5, and next 2 1s are 2. Now you just add all the values. This is 5 and next 7, this is 13 and next 3. As we have 270, therefore 270 into 125, which is 33750. That is the total value. That is the total value of item D after incrementing the quantity by 50% and the price is decreased by 10%. The required total value is 33,750. That is the required answer for this question. Among the options, option of 33,750, that particular option is not there, right? So here you need to keep the answer as none of these. 33,750. That particular option is not there. Here initially if you are not doing the multiplication with 100, you will get it as 337.5. That is not your correct answer. Here your correct answer is 33,750. Option E is the right answer. You just note down this answer, 33,750. Okay. Let us look at the second question. Here the second question is, approximately what is the average price per kg? Approximately what is the average price per kg of items A, B, C? Here we are talking about items A, B, C and the two price per kg. Price per kg is indicated with square shape, right? So you need to take the values 10 and not 10. Here you need to take the values 17.5, 10, again 7.5. These are the three values that you need to take and you need to calculate the approximate average. Approximate average. As we all know that average is equal to what? Sum of observations. Average is equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations. Average is equal to sum of observations by number of observations. Now, sum of observations is nothing but sum of prices of ABC. ABC, sum of prices per kg of ABC items divided by number of items. Now you just calculate approximate average. We don't want to calculate the exact average. Approximate average is equal to, the first price is 17.5, second price is 10 rupees, third price is 7.5, divided by number of items 3, which is equal to, here it is 17.5, which is 35 by 3. That is equal to, here it is 1.666 and so on. This is approximately equal to 11.67 approximate average. The required approximate average price per kg, which is equal to 11.67 rupees. That is the required answer for this question. Among the options, 11.67 is there at option E. Option E is the right answer for this question. Option E. Look at the third question. Here is the third question. See. Here we need to calculate what is the ratio between total values of quantity sold for items E and F respectively. Here you need to calculate the ratio of total value of E is to total value of F. Total value of E and total value of F. Basically total value is nothing but quantity into price. Total value is nothing but quantity into price. That will gives you total value. First, as we are talking about E and F, first you just take E, item E. For item E, quantity is equal to 12.5 quintas, and then you need to multiply with 100 in order to get kgs. After that, price is 15 rupees. Price is 15 rupees. And then that is the total value. Don't multiply the value initially. And next, total value. Quantity of item F, quantity is 17.5 quintas. 17.5 quintas. You just convert into kgs into 100. After that, the price is given as 10 rupees. Here the price is 10 rupees. Now if you observe carefully, 100 common, you just cancel it. And next, 1 decimal digit common, cancel it. Next, 25 5s are 25 sevens are. And next, 5 ones are 5 twos are. Therefore, our required ratio is 15 is to 7 twos are 14. 15 is to 14. That is the ratio of total value of item E and total value of item F. 15 is to 14. Once look at the options, option A is the right answer for this question. 15 is to 14. Option A. Next, fourth question. Here the question is total value of quantity sold for item C. For item C is what percent of total value of quantity sold for item E. Here we need to calculate the percentage value. Here we need to calculate percentage. What percentage we need to calculate? Total value of item C. Total value of item C. That particular value, what percentage of total value of item E. And whenever you are calculating percentage into 100 percentage symbol, that is a common thing, right? Now our required percentage is equal to, basically total value is nothing but what? Quantity into price. Total value is nothing but quantity into price. Here we are talking about two items, item C and item E. For item C, quantity which is 22.5 into price. Price is 7.5. 7.5 into 100 is not required. If you want to write down into 100, note it down. Whereas coming to item E, here the quantity is 12.5. 12.5 and price is 15 into 100. Here also into 100. Two zeros cancel. Into 100 percentage, that is common point, right? Now here 1 decimal digit cancel. 7.5 ones are 7.5 twos are. Next 25 nines are 25 fives are. And next 5 twos are 10. 0 gets cancelled. Therefore, the required percentage is equal to, what is our required percentage? 9 into 10, which is equal to 90 percentage. 90 percentage is the required percentage. Here the meaning of this particular question is the total value of item C is 90 percentage of total value of item E. That is 90 percentage is the required answer. Among the options, 90 percentage is there at option C. Therefore, our required answer is option C is the right answer. Last question in this session, fifth question. If the price as well as quantity sold is increased by 20 percentage for item A, what is the total value of quantity sold for item A? It is very clear that, as we all know, that total value of quantity sold, which is equal to quantity into price, and we are talking about item A, therefore quantity of A into price of A. See, total value of item A, which is nothing but, see, first one, we are talking about first item. and the quantity, initial quantity is 10, initial quantity is 10 quintals. You have to multiply with 100 in order to convert into kgs. That is the first point. After that, quantity and price both are increased by 20 percentage. Here quantity is increased by 20 percentage. Now it becomes 120 percentage. Now it becomes 120 percentage into price. Here the price is 17.5 rupees per kg. 17.5 rupees per kg. Here this price also increased by 20 percentage. Both are increased by 20 percentage. Some people what they will do is they will multiply only single time. Here quantity is increased by 20 percentage, price also increased by 20 percentage. Here also you should write 120 percentage. Now here two zeros cancel, and next and two more zeros cancel. Now you just take the values exactly whatever you have written. 12 into, you just write down 17.5 as 175 divided by 10 into 120. Here 0 gets cancelled. Now your required answer is 12 into 12 144, 144 into 175. That is your required answer that you need to calculate. 144 and 175. You need to multiply these two values. Multiply these two. 4 5s are 20, 4 7s are 28 plus 2 30, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 3 7. Again same values 0 0 7. And next after that 5 7 1. Now you just add all the values 0 0 and it is 12, and next 14 plus 1 15, and next 2 25200. The product of these two values which is equal to 25200. That is the total value of item A. Total value of item A is equal to 25,200 after increasing the price as well as the quantity by 20 percentage. That is option D. Among the options, option D is the right answer for this question. In this way, you need to solve the questions based on this quantity and price model. And first and foremost thing is you need to convert the given quintas, quantity in terms of quintas, you need to convert into kgs. Why? Because the price values are given in terms of kgs. That is the reason. Okay. So in this is the way of doing the problems in this model. I hope you understand each and every problem in this session. Thank you. Thanks for watching.